So honestly speaking, we have completed Unit 1, Unit 2, even many part of Unit 3. Yes or no? If we talk about the collection of data or primary data, what do you mean by observation? Can anybody tell me any apt example which talks about observation method? I believe in school and college. Schools, at least you must have cleared. School में पास हुए आप लोग 10th? Have you cleared your 10th standard? Tell me yes or no. Only Siddhant. What about remaining students? Pratama, Supriya. In school days, there was a practical, and if you will talk about the practical of chemistry and physics, they used to give us certain instrument. They used to ask to find out their diameter and certain chemical reactions. And they used to ask us to observe and write down your detail. Yes or no? Have you seen that observation method? Can you able to recollect? So the same experimentation and observation method of yes, Ankur, very rightly stated. Information is collected by observing process of work, and there will be a variation. Again, keep in mind, we will do the research only the things which are variable in nature, not which are constant or context in nature. Agreed or not? So observation method is again a very important tool. All economists, they see how they see the observation of GDP growth or bank interest or inflation rate, and accordingly they apply their logic for further discussion, further kind of research, etc., etc. Next is interview method. Which is the apt example of interview method? Can anybody tell me? Interview method of research. याद आ रहा है? The apt example is Janta Ki Adalat. Have you seen that Rajat Sharma coming with several questions or many, I mean, Coffee with Karan or something like that, whereby they take the interview and they get their database, they do the research, and they finally, I mean, confirming those research. Like recently, I don't know whether you are seeing or not, Opera interview with US's very famous interview, and thereby they have taken the interview of son of Princess Diana, Queen Diana, and then they are now they are no more belongs because they have got the he also got married to US actress. She is not, yeah, many a times it is structure unstructured, but they do lot of research and then they are confirming and then they are disclosing. So they if you Google it, you will get an idea that Opera interview, whereby son of elder son of Prince Charles and Queen Diana, they have been interviewed, and it has been, I mean, getting lot of publicity. See how actually a dynasty of UK is taking and making lot of struggle, who are not from the background of any dynasty. He confessed, if I have struggled so much, think about my mother who has suffered how much. So that was the interview method. Scheduled method. Any example? What do you mean by schedule? See, most of the time it is fixed. Okay, like Government of India has a fixed schedule for making their rail budget. Now they have combined rail with finance budget, and accordingly, as per the schedule, they take again observation. What has happened, how much we have predicted, projected, that much has been invested or not, etc., etc. Then we have survey method, very commonly used. Any example of survey method? Survey and questionnaire goes hand on hand. Both are same questionnaire, we take it for survey. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. Okay. So most of the time you must have seen when there is a election and they are taking exit poll. Now there is a election in Tamil Nadu, there will be election in West Bengal. From now only the survey has started. They go to the different people, they ask the questionnaire, and then they predict, they make their average, and then they predict something. Economic survey before the budget. Absolutely right answer, Sudesh. Very, very good answer. Okay. Can you find any limitation of primary data? Any limitation of primary data? There are several limitations. First, it is costly. You have to incur cost. You have to invest time. You have to put your energy. And lastly, which is very important, they are never to be realistic. Never. You cannot trust them. क्योंकि बोलने के लिए कोई भी बोल सकता है. And if you do not believe me, you go anytime, take the same questionnaire, sit with one respondent, after few days or after some hours, again go and sit with the same respondent, you will get different answers. It's my challenge. You just do one practice, you will get to know. Because the respondent forgotten what they have filled up in last time. Yes or no? So they are very dangerous, which is not happening with secondary data. If suppose company's profitability or profit is given as 80 crores, after several time only you refer it will be 80 crores only. Like GDP in India nowadays it is only 2%. So you do any times reference you will find 2% only. But if you ask someone else who have given you the oral respond, their prediction, their answers are different. Okay. So secondary data, there are many sources. You can do through news channels, newspaper, RBI report, economic database. I told you the best form is your review of literatures. Someone has already done the research and you are doing the research once again. So there are so many sources through which you can collect the secondary data. Company's annual report, NABARD annual report, BSc report, and NSC reports. But again, they have certain limitations. Okay. What are the factors affecting? So whenever you do the research, you should see to it that you should have both the things. You should have certain secondary sources and certain element of primary sources. So that is why you must have seen most of the time news channels what they do. First they flash the previous result जो actual हो चुका है इतना इतना सीट मिला and then as per the current scenario as per the previous Lok Sabha election then they predict and they come out with certain conclusion certain outcomes. Agreed or not? What are the different method which affects your data collection? Honestly speaking, data collection depends upon what are the objective of your research, what are the limitations of your research, where you want to conduct. These all things you need not have to wait for me. These all things you can get it from our book. Module 3. Page number 47. This all we have studied earlier also, and today also I have done the revision of it. But you need to study in detail. Here detailed description is given for all direct method, I mean primary sources, secondary sources, how the questionnaire to be framed, etc. etc. Personal survey, interview, yes or no? So this entire thing you have to study again and again. Next topic is sampling. Next what we have there in our syllabus is sampling. What is importance of sampling? What is different method of collecting sampling? What are the factors which determine the sample size, etc. etc. What basically you understand with sample? What do you mean by sample? Tell me. What do you mean by sample? Say for example, I'm asking you to get me the average height of SY C division student. Yes or no? मैंने आपको सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछा. Get me the average height of SY student. क्या करेंगे आप? What you'll do? Tell me fast. See, you have two options. One, you may go to all SYBAP students across Mumbai city, across India. Yes or no? Collect their database, approach them, get their height. Yes or no? And then take their average. Ha ya na? Arey, tell me yes or no. Are you able to listen me? Am I audible to you all? चलो प्रियल, सुदेश, अंकुर, ये लोग तो कोई जग रहे सोना मैन ऑल. बट डू यू थिंक इट इज feasible फॉर यू? आप जितने में पूरा इंडिया कवर करोगे उतने में एक साल निकल जाएगा और वापस नेक्स्ट ईयर को जो बच्चे F5 में थे दे विल बिकम SY स्टूडेंट. अगेन यू हैव टू स्टार्ट जर्नी फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग. So will you able to complete those tasks, those research? Never ever. So in such cases, what we do in research, we never go for. So this is called universe. ये जो अभी मैं बताया, all the student of SYBAF is known as universe. So SYBAF students will be called as universe. उसमें सारे बच्चे आ जाते हैं. Okay. Now, if I'm taking the SYBAF student of TCSC, Thakur College of Science and Commerce. Okay. So earlier was the universe. Of the entire population or entire sample. Now I am giving you TCSC. They are known as population of entire study. Now I will take C division sample. तो मैं क्या करूंगा? SYBAF division C and D3, 10 students will be my sample. I hope now you must have understood. तो अगर पूरे SYBAF मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी के सेलेब बच्चे ले लिए तो मेरा पूरा यूनिवर्स हो गया. Now let me take, क्या आपको लगता है कि ये मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी का जो यूनिवर्स का बच्चा है वो अलग सिलेबस पढ़ रहा है या सेम पढ़ रहा है? टेल मी. सेम पढ़ रहा है मतलब वो SYBAF का स्टूडेंट हुआ. यस और नो? ओके. पास होगा तो उसको SYBAF का ही डिग्री मिलेगा. ओके. अगर मैं ठाकुर कॉलेज के ही 240 बच्चों को ले लिया, दे आर ऑल्सो SYBAF का स्टूडेंट. तो अभी मैंने जैसे एक जनरल स्टेटमेंट दिया था फ्यू डेज बैक कि एवरेज हाइट ऑफ फीमेल और गर्ल्स इज below than the average height of boys. तो मेरे को उसके लिए पूरे इंडिया में ढूंढने की जरूरत है, और मैं कुछ सैंपल में अपना चीज को प्रूव कर सकता हूँ या नहीं? सपोज माय ऑब्जेक्टिव अ स्टडी ऑफ एवरेज हाइट ऑफ इंडियन बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स। मैंने हाइपोथेसिस किया कि देयर इज अ सिग्निफिकेंट डिफरेंस बिटवीन एवरेज हाइट ऑफ इंडियन गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज। देयर इज अ डिफरेंस ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट 1 फीट। यस और नो? तो मुझे सारे इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन लेने की जरूरत है, या ऑन एन एवरेज देखूंगा तो भी मेरे को मिल जाएगा आंसर? दिस इज व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ सैंपल। अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू द बेस्ट एग्जांपल टू लर्न द सैंपल। घर में भाजी बनता है। अरे टेल मी यस और नो। ठीक है, मम्मी एक स्पून देती है टेस्ट करने के लिए भाजी का, देती है, और फिर वो टेस्ट करके हम बोलते हैं मम्मी को कि बराबर है, बहुत अच्छा है, या नमक ज्यादा है या नमक कम है। बोलते हैं कि नहीं? कभी ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है आप लोगों को? मेरे 4 बच्चों को ही लगता है ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस है, बाकी बच्चे सोते ही रहते हैं। सिद्धांत, सुप्रिया, अंकुर, दीज आर क्वाइट अ फ्यू, प्रथमा, रिया, ये कुछ बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो अभी वो जो आपने वो स्पून का आंसर दिया, वो स्पून को लेके कि हाँ नमक कम है या ज्यादा है, परफेक्ट है, वो स्पून के लिए आंसर था या पूरे भाजी के लिए आंसर था? टेल मी कि आपका इंटरप्रिटेशन सिर्फ स्पून तक लिमिट था या पूरे भाजी तक था? एंटायर ना? So now let us take the reverse journey of it. Let us take the reverse journey of it. मैं उल्टा जाता हूँ। अगर मैं 10 बच्चे एस वाई बैप से लिया, वही रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है पॉपुलेशन को, वही रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है यूनिवर्स को। इट इज एज गुड एज वो जो एक स्पून का एक चम्मच मैंने जो लिया फॉर द टेस्टिंग, वो पूरे के पूरे भाजी को बता रहा है, जितना भी ज्यादा क्वांटिटी में भाजी बनाओ, वी डोंट नो, but the interpretation will remain same. Like my interpretation is the student who is attentive, who gives regular answer, their result is also good and they have been selected by the company also. Take the previous data, you'll find the same answer. उसके लिए मुझे सारे बच्चों की ऑडिट करने की जरूरत थोड़ी है, एक दो सैंपल उठा लूंगा मैं, and then I will continue my research. So I hope you must have understood the sampling. Yes or no? Anyone has any doubt? ना इसी में एक कंसेप्ट ये भी होता है, तो याद रखना कि आपका पॉपुलेशन फाइनाइट है या इनफाइनाइट है। पॉपुलेशन दो टाइप के हो सकते हैं, फाइनाइट और इनफाइनाइट। व्हाट डू मीन बाय फाइनाइट पॉपुलेशन? वेर यू कैन काउंट, you can have a data. Infinite, you cannot count, you cannot get the data. Say for example, the number of motorbike users in Mumbai will be finite data or infinite data, and number of bicycle users will have finite or infinite data. So motor car use, sorry, bike user is finite data. From where we can get the detail? From RTO. See why I'm telling you these all will help you to apply which technique, statistical tool you are going to use. Now the journey of research is very interesting. Those who will put the efforts, who will regular in the lecture, I'm telling you, you will understand research effectively. You can do the research. You can create your own, I mean, you can create your own patent. You can create your own design, not only in India, but across the globe. If your research is innovative one, I will assist you. Just think about एक particular आपने concept लिया and today you must be knowing three big business tycoons. मैंने बार बार एग्जाम्पल दिया आपको. They are richest in world because of not their wealth. किसी के पास पहले पैसा नहीं था, वो रतन टाटा वगैरह का बेटा नहीं था. With their research today they are the richest person across the globe. Amazon ले लो, टेस्ला ले लो, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ले लो. They are not from Tata Birla's family. तो आज ऐसा नहीं है कि राजा का बेटा राजा बनेगा, कोई भी राजा बन सकता है. आप में वो रिसर्च एंगल होना चाहिए. और तीनों नए इन्वेंशन दिए हैं अक्रॉस द ग्लोब एंड मिंटिंग मनी लाइक एनीथिंग. अमेजोन ने ई कॉमर्स का बिजनेस कंसेप्ट दिया. सोचो लॉकडाउन में अगर ई कॉमर्स नहीं सरवाइव करता, आपको कोई प्रोडक्ट मिल पाता था? अगर किसी ने वीडियो, ये जूम ने या वेबएक्स ने या गूगल ने ऑनलाइन वीडियो का कंसेप्ट पहले से डिस्कवर नहीं किया रहता, तो सोचो आपका लॉकडाउन कितना डिफिकल्ट हो जाता था. तो रिसर्च हैज लॉट ऑफ वैल्यू. और आपने वो पेटेंट करवा लिया, जिंदगी भर आप उससे पैसा कमाएंगे. Okay. So today we were discussing about sampling. What is the importance of sampling? How to do the sampling? I have given you the example. From universe we go to population, from population we can go to sample. तो मैंने बोला मोटर बाइक हर एक में देखो MH 0 कुछ तो नंबर रहता है, 01, 02. वो सारे बाइक रजिस्टर्ड होते हैं. अगर आप कुछ कंप्लेन करोगे, अभी तो घर पे आता है ना आपको, आपके नाम पे फाइन पेनल्टी आ जाती है. उसको फाइनाइट पॉपुलेशन बोलते हैं. बाईसाइकिल का कहीं रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं होता. ऑफ कोर्स वी कैन गेट कितना बाई हुआ है, कितना दूसरे स्टेट से आया, बट इट इज अगेन वेरी वेरिएबल इन नेचर. जितने में करोगे बहुत सारे बाईसाइकिल डिस्कार्टेड हो गए रहेंगे या बहुत सारे नए आ चुके रहेंगे. बट मोटर बाइक में जब तक आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर नहीं मिलता, तब तक आप रोड पे नहीं लेके जा सकते. यस और नो? So that has entire history of the owner who has bought the company, status number, everything. उसको फाइनाइट डिप. अगर मैं बोलूंगा satisfaction level of Honda motor bike or satisfaction level of Honda with Bajaj auto bike, I can do such kind of study. In such cases, my population is finite. आप जाओ आरटीओ ढूंढो, कितने जन को होंडा और बजाज ढूंढ सकते हैं. बट आपको सबके करने की जरूरत नहीं. आप 10-10 सैंपल या 20-20 सैंपल उठा लो, उनसे पूछो क्या सेटिस्फैक्शन लेवल क्या है, पेट्रोल कंजम्पशन कैसा है, स्पीड कैसा है, सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट कैसा है, कंफर्टेबिलिटी कैसी है, लेग स्पेस कैसा है, ब्रेकिंग सिस्टम कैसा है. यस और नो? You can do such kind of study or not? People are doing. Companies are making to do it, and that is how they are coming with the new type of product. Again a new type of product. कैसे आता है? By doing research only. They wanted to know what exactly new the customer wants. So rather we go to universe entire, but sometimes the universe is very small. जैसे मुझे मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी के वीसी का इंटरव्यू लेना है या वही मेरे सैंपल है, तो एक ही यूनिवर्स है, फिर मैं वहां पे पॉपुलेशन सैंपलिंग के लिए नहीं जाऊंगा. यस और नो? देयर इज ओनली वन वीसी ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मुंबई और वन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ठाकुर कॉलेज. ओके, तो ठाकुर कॉलेज में ही लेंगे तो अगर स्टूडेंट देखेंगे तो 15,000 है, अगर टीचर्स फैकल्टी देखेंगे तो 150 है. तो आप कैसा स्टडी कर रहे हो उसके ऊपर आपको डिपेंड करता है कि आपको सैम्पलिंग कैसी लेनी पड़ेगी. तो हियर यू विल फाइंड population, sample, right? How the sampling to be done. And now I hope once you will study, you will get to know what are the sample size, why we do the sampling, because it will save time. It will reduce the cost. It is more reliable. Yes or no? It provides more detailed information. Sometimes only the method is depends upon. I told you, it is as per your objective. It has administrative convenience. It is more scientific. Yes or no? Understood how the sampling works in the field of research, and it's very, very important. Now the journey again I am reminding you, which we have started for research now onwards, are very, very important and entirely practical in nature. It's purely practical in nature. Okay? So, well, do well in your internal exam. Today also you have. Give your best, get maximum marks, enhance your result. Next lecture onwards, we'll start with methods of sampling.